Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn daily routine in English with easy sentences. This video is especially for beginners. After every sentence, please pause the video and repeat after me. Repeat each sentence 2 times to improve your English speaking. So let's start. I wake up early in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. Repeat after me. I turn off my alarm. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat after me. I wash my face. I take a bath. Repeat after me. I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. Repeat after me. I wear clean clothes. I have my breakfast. Repeat after me. I have my breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. Repeat after me. I eat bread and eggs. I drink a glass of milk. Repeat after me. I drink a glass of milk. After breakfast, I get ready for work. Repeat after me. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I pack my bag. Repeat after me. I pack my bag. I wear my shoes. Repeat after me. I wear my shoes. I go to the office by bus. Repeat after me. I go to the office by bus. I sit at my desk. Repeat after me. I sit at my desk. I work on my computer. Repeat after me. I work on my computer. I complete my tasks carefully. Repeat after me. I complete my tasks carefully. At 1 o'clock, I take my lunch. Repeat after me. At 1 o'clock, I take my lunch. I eat rice and vegetables. Repeat after me. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink water. Repeat after me. I drink water. I take a short rest. Repeat after me. I take a short rest. In the evening, I come back home. Repeat after me. In the evening, I come back home. I wash my hands and face. Repeat after me. I wash my hands and face. I change my clothes. Repeat after me. I change my clothes. I drink tea. Repeat after me. I drink tea. I relax for some time. Repeat after me. I relax for some time. I go for a walk sometimes. Repeat after me. I go for a walk sometimes. I talk with my family. Repeat after me. I talk with my family. At night, I eat my dinner. Repeat after me. At night, I eat my dinner. I eat light food. Repeat after me. I eat light food. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I use my mobile for some time. Repeat after me. I use my mobile for some time. I go to bed. Repeat after me. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Repeat after me. I sleep at 10 o'clock. This is my daily routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English. See you in the next video. Bye bye.